outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible, and drink plenty of water to reduce risk during outdoor. Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 524, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 524 has been issued from 1:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. A weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore. Urgent weather message. The National Weather.
Double header.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ashtabula County, northern Crawford County, Pennsylvania, Erie County, Pennsylvania, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a line of severe thunderstorms producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Erie to 6 miles north of Jefferson and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Albion, Water River, Edinburgh, Union City, Cambridge Springs, Corey, Spartansburg. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula County, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford and Erie. A weather message.